So continuing with the previous lesson video, that was subject verb agreement. That was about the subject verb agreement. We are on the third rule, so we need to know about this. Okay, so let's talk about that. Okay, let's read that one. Two or more singular nouns or pronouns joined by and require a plural verb. Here and you have to just consider, wait a bit. Okay, here and consider like this. Okay, we are talking about and here, and coming in between the singular nouns or the pronouns. Here Ajit is the singular, obviously name of a singular person, and I is also singular. So based upon that one, like one singular and other singular, two or more singular noun or pronoun joined by and require a plural verb. That means 1 plus 1, it became 2. That is why are is used here. Are great friends. So next example, are not your father and mother out of the town? Here you are talking about one individual person father and the other individual mother. So that is why the two subjects in this case would be your father and your mother. So that is why are is used, not is. Is not your father, you would be thinking like is not your father should come, because father is coming nearer to the verb. Don't mistake that thing. Okay, just be careful about that we are using two subjects here. Okay, now the third one, the man and the women. Man is separate, women is separate, so definitely two it became. So definitely they are joined by and. We have to be careful about this rule too. Their combination has to be made with and. So then we are going to use the plural verb. This is the verb. Okay, were is used here, are is used here, are is used here, and then you see a carpenter and a blacksmith and a blacksmith. You see, in case after and there is the and the blacksmith, a carpenter and the blacksmith, then there would be a different rule. We will talk about that one. Definitely that would be there in the next portion. Okay, let's see. A carpenter and a blacksmith live, not lives. Lives is used with the singular, as we discussed earlier. Lives, because when we add s or es to the verb, it becomes singular. Okay, so that is why here it is plural, because the two subjects are joined by and the two subjects are singular and are joined by and. That is why live is used, not lives. Two and two, this is possible to come in exam also. Okay, possibly it used to be there. Okay, two and two make four. Why make four? Let me tell you. A separate two and a separate two, when gets joined together, becomes four. Okay, or it become four. Okay, separate two and a separate two, when joined, it become 4. So that is why 2 and 2 make 4 will be the answer. Okay, so it is it should be linguistically clear to you. Next is you see, yeah, this is a rule. Here it is, like that was the thing that I was talking about, like when there is something like this is there. But if the two nouns are joined by and, here and, sorry, and refers to the same person or thing, if they are referring to the same person or the thing, or suggest one idea to the mind, the verb is singular. Okay, like for example, I'll take one of the example of that. All of the other examples you can see and you can just check it out later on. Okay, here you see slow and steady. Okay, it gives one idea, like when we are going to be slow and we are going to be continuous and constant in at some play, like at some work. Slow and steady wins the race. Why wins here? Why the verb is singular? Because the idea is singular. Slow and steady is one idea. Okay, so here you see the horse and carriage. Okay, the horse and carriage. Okay, here you see is ready. So there is, if there could have been the, okay, like the horse and the carriage, then that could have been separate one. Okay, but it is there is no use of the here. Okay, no article is used, so simply what would be the horse and the carriage together they are talking about is ready. Okay, so that is one idea it is presenting. Okay, so eggs and bacon, okay, we use together, is his favorite breakfast dish. So rest of the examples you can see very easily, it is giving you the like identity of themselves, like they are the single idea subjects. Okay, eggs and the bacon, bread and butter. Okay, Disraeli and the statesman. Okay, comma the statesman and novelist. Okay, then we are talking about one person here is dead. Okay, so be careful about it. The curry and rice was curry and the rice could have been, then that could have been different scenario. Let's see next one. Wait a bit. Yeah, so here it is. When a singular nominative, that means a subjective noun or pronoun is joined to another noun or pronoun by as well as. Now we have to be careful about what? As well as, besides, not together with, no less than, okay, and other similar expressions. The verb is singular. So here you have to be careful. We are not using and, we are using as well as, besides, not together with, no less than, and other similar expressions. The verb is singular. So the answer would be the, like you see, the example would be the shop with its contents. The shop with is used here. Okay, with its contents was burnt down. So we are talking exactly about the shop. The ship with its crew, the ship was saved. Okay, so be careful. Silver as well as gold, both are singular. Okay, and are joined together by as well as. Is, definitely, is a precious metal. The father as well as the son, definitely singular. So clear. So next is, you see, wait a bit, here you see it is a continuity of that same thing. Okay, but there is a particular note that you have to be careful about. Okay, what is that? You see, he no less than you is guilty. Accordingly, this we have applied here. It is equal to, he is guilty no less than you are guilty. We can write like that also. That means separately, if we are writing no less than, after then we are writing you are guilty is also right. But here we have to apply is for this one. But exactly, if you are writing he no less than you is guilty, that is also a right statement to write. If we are not writing the first is, we can write is here, and then you need not to apply are with you. But here you have to be careful that no less than is applied in between, it is used in between. If it is coming in between, then it is right. No one besides, is used, so that is why singular verb knows is used. Kiran and not you has. Okay, not you, but you have to be careful about here. And not you, here they are using and not you. Okay, something like that is there in the combination. But definitely here putting a comma, it is quite clear. Has won the prize, not you has won the prize, whomever has won the prize. Here it is quite clear. So Harish together with his friends, with his, then noun. Okay, then definitely together with his, whenever is used, so definitely was would be used. When the two subjects are joined by, this is important, by as well as, the verb agrees in number with the person, with the number and the person with the first one, like whichever is the first one. You see, if it is written my comrades, if it is written in the plural, here you can see, wait a bit, it is written in the plural, comrades, as well as I myself were invited. Here were is used just because in the beginning it was plural, but it is applicable only for as well as. Here they are saying it is applicable for only as well as here. So here also you can see as well as is used, and he was used in the beginning, that is why was is used, not they. Accordingly, they have applied the subject, sorry, verb. I think it is clear to you now. Let's talk about the last point of this video. Okay, and then thereafter we're gonna continue with the next video. Okay, two or more nouns or pronouns Now we are talking about not singular, but two or more nouns or pronouns. Okay, two or more nouns or pronoun in the singular form. Sorry, they are in the singular form when we are talking about two nouns or the two pronouns in a sentence, but in their which form? Singular form, connected by or by or and nor. Okay, if there is anywhere written or nor, they usually take the singular verb, and there is some exceptions to this rule which will be coming in the next video. Okay, let's see the examples. Okay, what the rule says exactly when we are using two noun or a pronoun and are singular in their form and are having or nor in the sentence getting used. Okay, for the choice, let's see, either the cat or the dog. So it would be considered like we are going to use a singular verb. It will take the singular verb, that means has is used. Okay, neither Harish nor his brother is used. Why? Because nor is used in between. The reason is the usage of or nor. But there would be some exceptions to the rule, like those exceptions would be in the next video. So stay tuned, subscribe my channel, and tell your friends to subscribe too, and share my videos with your friends and allies so that they may get the maximum benefit of that. Hope you are staying fine after the lockdown too. So God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.